Alright, this is the other elevator here at Sikara Distrito Urbano Plaza in Monterrey, Mexico. We have another brilliant. And this is the other one that's functioning. The rest of them are still being installed. So right there are the escalators, which are not working at the moment, and right there's the parking garage. And here it is. I know it just passed by. I don't know. I think we're here on sorry, the elevator just passed by. So meanwhile, let's get a view out here. So it's a nice day here in Cumbres. Right there is the mountain El Sapo, which I can see clear enough. There's just a bit of pollution, people. So this is the mall that recently opened about like weeks ago it's like how do you call it? This mall has been in construction for like 7 years now. So here it is, and here's the emergency rules, possibly want to read. And here's your cab view. And the floor is a little messed up. We're gonna go down to parking level 5, and our close but works. This elevator goes up to only 3 floors. The other ones with the 2-speed door go up to the top floor, the 6th one. Here at parking level 5. Let's go up to 3. And here's a lot of work to be done. So yep, look at this garage. Here at 3. One goes out. Let's go for another ride. Then this up here is the 3rd floor, and there are so many shops that are about to be existing. That we have Wingstop, Norteño Wings, and those right there by the glass windows there are still yet to be done. They're about to be more. So. And there's gonna be a lot of construction noise, so I'm gonna have to talk over. So you're right, at 5 again. Back up the PB and landed there. And I like how the switch. Sí. Okay. Este es el mall que recientemente estoy conociendo.
¿Eres de aquí?
Sí.
Qué bien.
Yo sé que este mall lleva como 7 años en construcción.
¿Haces? ¿No lleva tanto?
Sí, es que desde 2016 empezó la construcción.
Oh.
Pero bueno. ¿Van a bajar?
Súper.
Okay. Fortunately, we're not going to be able to look at the cabbie, people, but here is the restaurant so there you have it now. There it goes, and that's it.